Hi, this is Aman from Bluebyte with a quick video demo of xlBOM with thumbnails, a lightweight add-in that exports bill of materials to Excel with thumbnails. As you can see, I'm using the add-in right now inside SOLIDWORKS. I'm right-clicking on a selected BOM table and choosing xlBOM with thumbnails. There are a few options I can choose from. I can copy the exact font style of the BOM to Excel, export full-size thumbnails locally, which is an option I have checked here, and choose the thumbnail size. Now that my options are set, I'm going to set the save location and click on the start button to export the selected BOM. This is a small assembly, so it shouldn't take long. Full-size thumbnails are being created locally. Great. Now when finished, SOLIDWORKS will ask me if I want to view the exported BOM. Click on yes and voila. For more information, please check the add-in at bluebyte.biz/shop. Thank you for watching.